Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to embed a TradingView chart in 2026 so that you can place it on your website or your blog. So if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So if you were looking for the discounts, you can just explore the offers here in the description. Now come here on tradingview.com first, then simply hover over to the more option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now in the more section, you will see the option of all widgets in the widgets option. Once you click on it, you will be landed here on this page. It is going to show you the charts that you can basically embed anywhere you want. So we have the advanced chart available, then we have the symbol overview mini chart. You can also see the market overview and the stock market. So you need to simply click on that particular widget which you want to embed from TradingView. For example, let's say you want to embed the stock market widget. So after clicking on it, it is going to redirect you here on this page. Now this is going to be the HTML code which you can embed on your website. So you can copy this code and directly embed it on your website. If you want to make changes into your chart, you can use these options available here in the right hand side. So currently it is showing you the US stock exchange, but if you want to change it to, let's say, Canada, you just have to click on that and select it, and it is going to show you the changes as per the details that you have selected here. Now when you make changes into the right hand section, all of the changes will also come here in your code. So make sure that you copy the code after making changes into it, then simply use this code in order to embed on your website. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.